Hey traders, today we have a new scalping strategy for you. For the BTC, Forex, it doesn't really matter. We are gonna backtest it on the BTC USDT pair. For this strategy, you are gonna need 3 indicators. So I'll show you which indicators you need. First, let's add the ATR finder. It's a stop loss finder or BYBIT. Let's add that one to the chart. If you click it, it instantly goes there. We're gonna look for the ADX. We're gonna use it of BYBIT. It's gonna be this one. And the other one is gonna be the bull trading. And then the easy MTF. It's a 1 minute easy scalping strategy. We are gonna change some settings from it. I can't really remember what the defaults were, but I remember that I changed the trend length period to 150 for the 1 minute time frame. I think by default it's 100, but I'm not totally sure. And on the style, I'll just disable almost everything except the plot and the bar color. I think this one could be turned off as well, so we only want to see the plot. It's something like a trend line where we are gonna trade against to see which trend we are in. If you want to go to the ATR, on the style I changed it, I disabled the tables, and the multiplier is on 1.5 to have a bit of margin for our trades, for our stop loss. That's what the ATR is for in this scenario. And for the ADX and DI, when you go to the settings, I disabled the ADX and the level. I only want to see the crosses of the DI. So we are looking for a few scenarios. So when we have all these settings, I hope you followed along. When the line is in the red, like here, we are looking for short positions. And of course, when it's in the green, we are looking for long positions. I think you will understand that easily, because I know you are a pro trader, so that's why we are gonna do it like this. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna look for a short and long positions. I'm just looking for an example right here. So right here we have a nice example, because we want to see 3 confirmations, or actually, yeah, we want to see 3 confirmations to take an entry. What we want to see, if we want to take a long position, is that the cross occurred, that we have a candle that closes above the trend line, and the trend line, of course, should be green. That is really important for us. So this is one. We have a bullish. Number 2 is that this candle is closing above the trend line. And the third one is that the trend line, it should be green. So that is our third confirmation, and that is where we take a long position. And that's where the ATR comes into place. We will place our stop loss on the ATR, and we place a target position on 1.5. I hope that's clear for you. So the win should be 0.33%. So for a 1 minute trade, in my opinion, that's pretty high. So that is a long position. And now let me show you a short position. So right here, I'll just go for the next one. When you see the green line crosses underneath the red one, we have one confirmation. What is the second confirmation? We want the trend line to be red. So after this, we are looking for short positions. When do we take one? That is exactly when there is a red candle, and that is there. So we will take a short position right there, stop loss there, and then times 1.5 on the 1 minute. And that one would have been in a profit as well. So these are that are 2 trades in a row. I think it's pretty easy to understand. So I'll just go with the 100 backtests. I'll play it in the replay mode, so I can't cheat like some other YouTubers do. No, that's not fair to say it like that, but yeah. I'm just gonna backtest this 100 times and I'll come back with you with some realistic results. And maybe it's good, maybe it's bad, who knows? So after doing 100 trades on a 1 minute time frame, we took it in 5 days. I had a win streak of 5 and a losing streak of 5. In the end, I had a win percentage of 54%. It was swing trading. The gain on account, the GOA, is 5% without leverage. So if you increase the leverage, your gain on account is also higher, but your losses can be higher as well. So always keep that in mind. So this is just of the 20 backtests we've done, this is exactly in the middle. So yeah, this is just an average strategy. So if you use this one with basic candlestick patterns and your normal support and resistance, you can literally use this one if you like the trading like that. Still, my personal favorite is the Fu Manchu. But yeah, it's not a bad strategy. You always have to watch out for ranging markets, but that's with every indicator. So yeah, if you want to use BYBIT like us, please use the referral link down in the description below. You help us out and you can get a nice bonus up to $600. Yeah, that's gonna be it. I'll hope to see you in the next one. The next video from me is probably going to be live scalping again with probably Fu Manchu. So I hope to see you in the next one. Yeah, have a great day. Cheers.